Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've got 3 lots of happy mail to show you. Wow, how lucky am I? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sending me things. I really do appreciate it, and it cheers me up knowing happy mail through the post. It's just wonderful. And yeah, they're absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to show you this huge box first. This one has come to me all the way from Canada, and I just can't believe it. It's just blown me away. It's from the lovely Louise. Yeah, and thank you so Louise did take part in my 30-day challenge when I was doing the 30 cards in 30 days. She actually made 30 chemo caps for people that are poorly and are having chemotherapy, and just a little hat to put on when they're losing the hair and things. And she's made me some beautiful things as well. I have got her permission to show it, so I will just quickly show you all these things, but they are wonderful, absolutely superb. So I'm going to move this box out the way, and the first thing I've got, I can't think why she's done me hot pink. Thank you, Louise, you know me so well. I've got a hot pink crocheted shawl. Look at this. It is stunning. It's all like fan shapes on it, and I just love it. And it's hot pink, and it's so soft. So this will definitely yet be worn in the winter, or when the nights start getting a little bit chillier. Yeah, just something. I always think shawls are really useful, because you can just pop them around your shoulders when it's a little bit chilly. You know, if you're just taking the dog for a walk, or you just have to nip out for something, or if you just sat and your shoulders just get a little bit chilly, you can just put your shawl on. But look at this. I wish, so I said last time, I wish you could have feely vision, because it's just so pretty. But look at that. It is absolutely gorgeous, and the fact that it's been made in hot pink and it's been sent to me from all the way from Canada. Yeah, I just can't put into words how much I appreciate it, and how much I absolutely love it. So that was the first item in the box that I saw. It was the hot pink that I saw when I opened the box. I went, oh, what have I got? But yeah, it is so much appreciated. And then Louise hasn't forgotten hubby either. So this is a crocheted little blanket, or a little throw. And again, it's a lovely size. It will just fit over his knees in his wheelchair when we're out, or even just to put over his knees when we're sat in the house. You know, it's something that is very useful, and again, lovely and soft, and it's a nice dark grey colour. So yeah, he wouldn't have wanted hot pink. Yeah, he's just not that kind of person. Oh dear, but yeah, so talented and clever to have crocheted these. And I say, coming all the way from Canada, and I keep saying it, but I'm just blown away. So that's that one. And then we have, look at these bee socks. Are they not the happiest socks you've ever seen? Bees and little daisies and sunflowers. They're fabulous. I just love them. So yeah, and I do wear socks, and I do wear socks with patterns on. So yes, I am that kind of person too. And I may even wear my hot pink with my yellow socks, because I really don't care. Oh, but they're lovely. They're a real good size as well, because I have got exceptionally big feet. I am a size UK 8. So yeah, I've got big feet. But I am quite tall, so I always say if I didn't have big feet, I'd fall over. So that's my lovely socks. Oh, and then look at these butterflies with a little pale pink on them. And these are like little stickers. You can incorporate these into your diamond painting. I was thinking actually that they would probably go on coasters. You could probably get a couple onto one coaster, you know, just have them fly in different directions or whatever, and maybe just put either some little trails of other coloured of other coloured gems or diamonds, or just do them as like a full drill. Yeah, I just thought they would probably look quite nice on a coaster. Or I may just keep them and put them on folders and things, or even on my phone. But yes, very blingy and very sparkly. I've not seen those before. And then look, we've got a little Millie Mo. Oh, people just know how to keep me happy. Look, isn't that absolutely gorgeous? I've never seen one of these either, and I have got a lot of Scottie dogs, but I've never seen this one. It's wonderful. So it's a little pink one with a little collar on, and I've got a choice of keychains as well. But I think this one's going to stay in my craft room with all my other little collection of Scottie dog keychains for now, because I do like him. And he's so cute. Oh, her, she's so cute. So that's my little Scottie dog. And then look at these. Oh my goodness. Hot pink square gems with an AB coating on them. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with these, but I will definitely be using them. And I'm just thinking now, square coasters with a border of square pink gems around with a butterfly in the middle. Now then, that sounds like quite a nice project. That sounds really good for something to do. Wow. Oh, love those. Love those. And then we've got, oh, this is gorgeous. I've only just seen this. I knew it was like a keychain, but I've not read what it actually said. So let me read it out to you. It's just a very, very cute little keychain. And it says, sometimes you forget you're awesome, so this is your reminder. Isn't that wonderful? Yeah, I think sometimes we all just need a little reminder that we're a lot better than we think we are sometimes. And yeah, that is just so cute. Thank you so much, Louise. I'm just loving everything. And then she's made me some pens as well, diamond painting pens. There are no end to this lady's talent, I tell you. So we have got 1, 2, 3 diamond painting pens. So we've got a pink one. I think these are like loom bands, are they? Are they like the loom band foldings? And I know we had quite a craze of them, quite a few years ago now here. And the granddaughters just had them all over the place, and they were really good to do. Really enjoyed it, but it just seemed to vanish as quickly as it started, and I'm not quite sure why, because it was something that was really good to do, a really good craft. But they're quite nice to hold as well. They're quite squidgy, and yeah, just makes it that little bit easier to hold. So Louise has done these as well for me. So we've got a red, white and blue one. We've got a black and amber one. Look, yay, whole city colours. And oh, it matches my bees. And then we've got a hot pink. So yeah, all very personal, wonderful, great touches those. So I'll definitely be using those. And then I've got 2 standard pens, which I've got the maple leaf on for Canada. Yay! So they're really good as well. Ooh, I think hubby will be claiming one of these. He's got a real thing about pens. You know, if you're ever out anywhere and people are like on a promotional stand and they're giving away pens, he's always first in the queue. We've got drawers full of pens that he just collects, and he won't get rid of any. It's like a secret collection that he's got. You know, he doesn't put them on display, but he's just real proud of all his pens he's got. I mean, I do actually use my pens. He just seems to hoard them and collect them. So yeah, I'll be letting him have one of these as well. In fact, he might even get both. If he sees mine, yeah, he'll take it as well. But yeah, that will definitely get used. Actually, I'll keep this one in my craft room, and I'll give him the other one. So that is all came in that wonderful big parcel. I thought, hubby said, what on earth have you ordered? And I said, I don't know, I haven't ordered this. And when I opened it, it just absolutely blew me away. So thank you so much, Louise. And she's even stamped and coloured me a little card, look, as well, with a gorgeous little note inside. It says, Liz, as you wrap yourself in this shawl, may you find comfort from all that appears too much to bear, from all that overwhelms you, and from all that threatens the peace in your heart. A hug when you need one. Oh, that's... I do apologise. That's the two little spaniels that live just across the road from us have just arrived home. And I think they must have met another dog. The people who live opposite us have got a puppy, a little Staffordshire Bull Terrier puppy, and she is 9 weeks old and she's absolutely gorgeous, and I got lots of cuddles last night, so yeah, it makes me real broody seeing puppies. Yeah, Liz, as you wrap yourself in this shawl, may you find comfort from all that appears too much to bear, from all that overwhelms you, and from all that threatens the peace in your heart. A hug when you need one. Oh, Louise, I will definitely, every time I put that shawl on, I'll think I'm getting a big hug from you, and I'll be sending one right back at you as well. So that is wonderful. Thank you so much. Oh, love that. Look, it's me with my shawl on. And yeah, just a little aside, the Union Jack pen glows in the dark. Wow. So yeah, glow in the dark. So hubby will be able to see me in the dark. Okay, and then the next item that I received, this is actually for my granddaughter. And yeah, how lucky is she? When I was doing all the Harry Potter things and showing you the Harry Potter things, and when I had her on the channel just for a little bit doing those little pin brooches with Harry Potter on. So after watching that, the lovely Sharon said, "Oh, I've got something under my bed Harry Potterish. Do you think your granddaughter would like it?" And I said, "Oh yes, of course." So we have Harry Potter's wand. How posh is that? I've not seen her yet to give her it because she's been away on holiday, but yeah, I will do a quick little video of her with the wand. She has sent me a photograph of another little brooch that she's done as well, so I'll add that in here as well. But I'm sure she will absolutely love this. I think she's got Hermione's wand because she likes Hermione. But yeah, I'm sure she will absolutely love Harry Potter's wand as well. And that is just so thoughtful of Sharon. Thank you so much. And yes, for thinking of my little granddaughter. And she did put a little note in with it to Lizzie's granddaughter. Please take care of Harry's wand. He may need it back in the future. So yeah, that just sits inside there as well. Okay. Right, and the next little package that I've got has come to me from my wonderful friend, Sharon. And she is Pencil Surprises on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram, so do go and check her out. She's trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by Christmas, so she's getting there. She's doing really well. She does resin pouring, and she does diamond painting, and she does whip and chats on Saturday mornings with her mum, and she's got a fantastic son called Richard. Hi Richard, love you lots. And he likes bees as well. We share a love of bees. So yeah, and it's coming up to his birthday as well, so let's get a card in the post. Okay, so this, now if you're easily offended, please don't look at this next bit or fast forward, because yeah, it's a little bit funny and a little bit rude, but it's really funny, and it's what Sharon does. So she's put on here, "Thank you for your purchase. We hope everything is enjoyable. Your friend Sharon, aka Pencil Surprises." She's actually sent me these. I haven't bought them. And yeah, so if you're easily offended, please look away now. But this is just a little resin diamond painting pen that she's made me. And yeah, I opened it up and I started laughing. And hubby said, "Oh, what are you laughing at?" And I just showed him, and he says, "What is it, a gnome?" And I said, "It's not a gnome." And he says, "Well, is it a dog then?" I said, "No, it's definitely not a dog." And I handed him it, and his face sort of like changed. And he went, "Is that what I think it is?" And I said, yes, I'm afraid so. So he says, and your friend sent you that? Well, I never. But yeah, she does quite a few different colours and different ones. So if you're not easily offended and you do fancy having one of these, then do pop over to Pencil Surprises on Facebook and have a look, or Instagram. But yeah, it's just hysterical. It's brilliant, and I definitely will be using that one as well. She said to me, actually, I've done a hot pink one, but it's a little bit bent at the end. Is that okay? And I said, it's fine by me. So yeah, anyway, I'll put that away. So yeah, I hope nobody's offended by it and you all find it as funny and as laughable as I do. She also does bottoms, and she also does like the little like statue bodies as well. So, you know, go and check her out. I mean, she does other things as well. And yeah, she sent me a few of them here, but oh dear, she is a wonderful lady, and it just really made me laugh. It's just been one of those weeks, you know, where you get lots and lots of bits and pieces, and it's just excellent. So that's my little sticker there, with also a little thank you plaque there as well, which is wonderful. Thank you very much. And then these are all done in resin. So we've got a little paw print, that's like iridescent purpley colour for Millie Moo. I'll probably put these as cover minders, turn them into cover minders, just put little magnets on the back. We've got, oh, a little bronze skull. That one looks like it's come out of archaeology, doesn't it? It's been dug up from somewhere. But I love the way that Sharon gets this matte finish on her resin. I just love it. It just really makes a difference, I think, makes them look really different rather than just being your shiny resin. So they're both matte finishes. This one is a little pink shiny heart, which is very sweet. I think granddaughter might pinch that one. And then we've got a diamond. Look at that, a real 3D diamond, all with green glitter in it. And that has come out really well. She is clever. Yeah. So she does like all her, I think she does the resin with her dad, and she does all her unpeelings or taking them out the moulds, and shows you everything. And I'm just always blown away by how clever she is. She's going to be doing a 30 colouring pages in 30 days challenge, I think, as well, in September. So as I said, don't go and check her page out. And she sent me a bit of wax as well. Thanks, Sharon. That's to go with my pen look. So I've been exceptionally lucky this week, so thank you so much. It's really made my week to get just happy mail through the post, and I have got my little giveaway. I will be doing the draw for that shortly, and I have decided as well to do the mystery boxes. So if you would like a mystery box, they are going to be £7. There will be at least 5 diamond paintings in there and a few extra little bits and pieces. I can't tell you which ones they're going to be. They are just going to be mysteries. And I do say that they're non-returnable, because really with the postage, the amount it is, you know, I'm not actually making any money on the paintings as such. It is just sharing the love and de-stashing a little bit for me as well. If you can drop me an email or contact me on Instagram, Instagram Messenger or Facebook Messenger, and all the details are down below as well, and just let me know that you're interested, then I'll send you details, because what I'll probably do is ask if you just want full drills, if you want any special drills in there, if you want any larger paintings, and I do have a few that are double-sided tape that I can throw in as extras as well if people are wanting those. There's nothing wrong with them, I just know that I'm not going to get around to doing the ones that I've got. So let me know if you're interested in those mystery boxes as well. But I've enjoyed opening my own mystery box. This was just absolutely wonderful. So a huge thank you again to the ladies for sending me these. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Just helps me out with YouTube a little bit. If you've got any comments or questions, in the comments down below. And if you would like to come back and see what I get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell next to it, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up, so you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thank you ever so much for stopping by. Don't forget to let me know if you do want one of those mystery boxes, because they are a little bit limited. I have got a lot of paintings, but depends how many people want them. Okay, thanks for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.